Kasi baka naman ako may kontsinta dito. Ano, Karacho Oscar. Doon ko may kotsinta. Opo, kotsinta. Sabi mo na. Akala mo ako. Meron. Okay. Hi! Thank you for watching. Baka naman ako 20 pesos na kotsinta. Salamat. Dito, Karacho Oscar. Thank you for watching. 2 people here now. Ay. Thank you for the likes. Hayaan mo na. Hi, Golden. Salamat. Thank you. Like, thank you, Golden. You are very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs. How are you? I am fine. Thank you for the likes. Coffee. It's coffee. Is it true that you didn't take a shower today? What? Oh my god. Who are you? Who are you? Suman. Your body, chest, and thighs are beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you, Golden. Thank you so much. Oh my. Diba? Ano, ma'am? Sana na. Dito. Thank you, Golden. I see him before. Ah. Oh my God. Thank you for protecting my channel. Open your mind. Thank you, Golden. For the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. For the first time, I see who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you look at me. There's a reason that could be. For the first time, for the first time, in your eyes. For the first time, I see you. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Did the storm pass you? Not yet. The storm, the typhoon is still is expected coming today or today or yesterday and today. Hope, hope the storm change direction. Oh man. Hope a typhoon change direction. Are you getting the GS? What GS ready? What GS means? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready for what? Are you getting things? Yeah. If possible to evacuate, we need to be ready here. Thank you for 5 people. What are you doing, darling? Hope it was. Yeah, hope it was the typhoon. Because, oh my god, like the place here, like Cebu, um, people destroy nature here. That's why I don't. That's why we feel sad. Like we, the nature lover, we protect our mother nature, but greedy politicians and businessmen destroy nature there just for money. It's the biggest storm expected a biggest storm coming here today. Hi! Insan, kumusta? Okay lang. Okay na. Ikaw, kumusta na? Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi sa inyo, bayan. Bumbara, bumbara, para, bumbara, 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 para, Kumusta? Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Bumbara, bumbara, para. The little Sheryl. The little Sheryl. Where's my coffee? My coffee. Guys, talk earlier. Hit them likes. Thank you for the likes. Boom, bada, boom, bada, boom, bada, boom. Thank you for the likes. Smash them like chat. For the life, for the life, the life. For the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. For the first time, see who you are. I can't do as much as you look Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the living. How are you? I'm fine. What's your breakfast and sun? My breakfast, nothing. Suman. Suman na kalabasa. You can go for the electrician people here now. You make it? No. You miss talaga. Si ano, nagsuman si Manay Intang. Okay na ka muna. Okay na. Okay na ulit. Okay na ulit.
Success at iba't ibang hugis, korte at laki ng ating po mga bayani sa mundo ng palakasan. Yan po ang itatampok ngayong umaga sa inyong paboritong kasalot tuwing Sabado. Kaya bago na! Power and play na! Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat, mga kapatid. Mayong buntag, galing yung tanan. Sana po'y nasa mabuting palagayan ngayong umaga at nagbabalik po ang inyong paboritong power and play.
That's good, sir. Thank you.
Ay nananalangin na po lahat ay naghahanda na at
Boom, bada, boom, bada, 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 boom. Oh my God, the weather is good now. Hopes, typhoon, change direction. Oh my God, please. Yes.
Magsabado, kalimutan muna natin ang ating mga problema at gusto pa natin ang mundo ng palakasan na napakarami po natin tumahan ngayong umagang ito. Naku, mamaya po sa ating second hour, itatampok po natin mga bago naman sports kita ka. Saan mga emerging sports heroes ang ating makakusap sa four-time world champion sa edad na labing siyam na
Thank you so much. Eugenio Oliveira. Hi, Eugenio. Oh my God, my hair is getting long now. Bang, 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 bang. Thank you so much. Kumusta birthday ni Papa yung boy? Okay naman. Wala ako dito noon. Nasa kasiguran ako. Okay naman. Okay naman yung birthday. Don Pablo. Nagamit ako sa mukha ko isa ng beauty products para mapagayon yan. So, may nagbabakbak siya. Naiirita ako. Harangan. Gagayo na ako dito. Parang feeling ko gumaganda na ako.
Wow, nanslay. Wow, nanslay. Uli.
Ayos, kojikan sa here, ayos, kujikan.
Kaya po, again, sana po yung
Thank you for watching. Your pretty insan inside and out. And no need magpaganda. Maganda ka na. Salamat.
Alis kami papa, mamutok kami. Bye. Bye-bye.
Salamat. Thank you, insan. Thank you so much. Magayon tayo. Inside and out. Mga magayon. Natural. Thank you for watching. Maligawan. Our love. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. What you are using sa face? Skincare. Sabi ko kay ate, yung medyo mild lang kasi yung hindi masyado halata na nagagamit ako. Sabi, nirecommend niya yan. Best seller daw yan sa Paya. So maganda nga. Hindi masyado nagbabakbak pero meron. May pangpahid naman siya para medyo may cream. Sabon din may cream siya. May parang skinol na ipapahid. Parang package siya. May sunblock. Sunlight. Yung sabon na parang kotik.
Nakita niyo po kagabi, dalawang nakakita na laban para sa PBA na naman. At naglaban yung San Miguel at Montoya. Our houses. Napakada namang inaasahan po sa semi-finals. Hindi in the finals. Makikita mo talaga yung
Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching 12 million. The 12 million. Thank you for 15 people. Thank you for watching.
Tao po!
On the shimmy floor, I'm running far. But guys, stop being lazy, guys. Hit the like button for this chat. Stop being lazy, ha? I'm scared to use anything in my face. That's why I only use Coke Body. Oh, that's all. Natatakot ako sa mao. Pero nakita ko naman yung yung result niya. So, parang maganda naman. So, better na hindi siya nabibilan. So, kailangan ko ngayon hide ng face. Kasi pangit ng bibilad, nasusunog yung nasusunog yung mga mukha nila, hindi sila gumanda. Nasusunog yung mukha. Kasi nagbibilad sila sa So, I need to avoid the sun. Oh my God, sun, can you get away from me? Arty, no? Sun, can you please hide my face? Diba, nagbababakbak ng sobra yung parang nagbabalat siya. Pero sa akin, hindi masyado nagbabalat. Parang slight lang yung pagbabalat. You look like you feel better na. Yeah, the medicine that helps me. And also, maybe because I'm not feeling well, because my period is coming. So today, my period is red tide. Today is a red tag. Red tide. Nagbabakbak siya. Nag-healing. Ano siya. Hindi masyado. Walang masyadong Pero dati, medyo ako, maitom. Di man, maitom. Tapos ngayon, medyo naglalight na yung kulay ng tapos medyo nawawara na ang mga, ko. Looks great na in the sun. Hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Hi, dog. Thank you, dog. Good. Thank you for the likes. Is that all? What it means, James? Morning and night, he use it. I only use night. I only put the only night. I only apply the only night. Morning, a day, I just use the sunblock. I just put the sunblock when all day. Just use morning, and when I go out, I use skincare. Perfect skin. The perfect skin. Nag-endorse na sa product. The perfect skin. Medyo light lang ang pagpamala. Tapos, so hindi rin naman ako masyado nag-expose na sa araw kasi dati nakitanom, nakianis, so medyo hindi ako nagagamit nun. Pero kaya, nagpapayong na. Pag naglalakad, nakapayong. Pag nakapayong, pwede na mag-mask. Medyo hindi masyado sa... No, hindi ko alam kung kay Corina yan. Hindi ko siya... Siguro hindi. Hindi yata. Thank you for the likes. Nabubugtaw ang pamot. 'Cause
Take
you
down now, you're playing down
and
one twice. Then you're playing Macau Black Bears. It's been a very, I want to ask you,
I like.
uh,
Thank you for the 24 people.
schedule,
Payong ka lang.
bago ba?
Payong ka lang lagi kasi delikado, chef. Masunog. Oo nga.
Cooking and how
Kasi ang pangit, nakita ko sa iba yung pangit ng sunog. Kuda ko lang like, saya-saya. Mahirapan ka na alisin yung pag nasunog. Always use sunscreen na lang. Kaya nga, you always use sunscreen. Pangit ang iba parang, sunog as in, parang wala. Ang pangit ng pagkaan. Thank you for watching. What dance is this? The dance is this. You and I. I just see this always here on YouTube. You and I. I just like it's you and I. Come on, guys, chat or get kick. She's not here for now. Here, Lather. Hi, Lather. Where you from? It's you and I. There are no word. Yes, I just hear only you and I. Nothing. No, like that. The other word is nana. I don't know. Latte, not latte. Not latter. Hi, latte. Sorry. Are you French? Latte. Hello, everyone. Hi, Latte. Thank you for joining. There no. Nope. Where from? Why silent R? Maybe you are from United Kingdom. Because it's silent the R. Because it's just a latte. A latte forever. Never. Cause you. My channel is lat. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Latte. MRCP. Okay. Sorry. I thought it's latter. Latte. Sorry. Tonight. Thank you for the 30 million here now. Thank you for the likes. Visit me if you are fit. Okay. Are you, do you doing live? Are you doing live too?
Personally, if you ask me, it's a second favorite
Subscribe then. Thank you for subscribing my channel Latte Art MRCP.
we have a good relationship with the teams of the PBA. We're very grateful.
Yes, I'm doing live right now. Oh, okay.
Sessions in Fort. But
So
at the
everyone,
time,
Mr. Latte Art MRCP, you can subscribe his channel. Thank you for visiting my channel, Sir Latte Art MRCP. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Sir Latte?
he will still be a big factor because of his experience,
Latte.
because of his skill level, because of the multiple positions he can play. He would have been a focal point, but now that he realized that he has kagami meaning the infinite, we have to have other options, and there's only really one option. It's just Ange one, right? So Ange is
Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines.
he clearly is not in
From
game shape, no? Although he's practicing
Philippines.
sometimes.
Philippines.
Ange is the guy he can defend, he can rebound. I'm worried about him
Where in
going up and down, but
Philippines?
he will be in the lineup
Bicol.
and he's here.
Bicol
That's a
province.
good thing for us.
Let's share
He done
her
very well.
channel.
He was physical five in the
Thank you, my
BCL,
team.
and then he was physical five in the last FIBA. He's a great kid to that. He'll be a well-rounded
So, are you Bicolana? Yes, I am Bicolana. Proud Bicolana.
last game we didn't have CJ. There's one bright spot for us this conference.
Yes, yes, I am. I am Bicolana. Thank you for joining the people here right now. 20 people here. Thank you so much. Latte Art, you are live too. Yes. Yes, he's doing live right now. The Latte Art MRCP. Why are you doing live and how you do that? Is this possible? You're doing live right now, Sir Latte, and joining other live. Is it possible? Or maybe I'm not moderator, so I can't track my channel here, the hot chatting.
I mean, he's not called properly, pero nalaman siya. So, I commend these guys because at this point in time, you can't have excuses to say that
Um,
you have to play, right?
share her channel with Joyce. Yes, I'm doing live in my laptop. Okay, that's great. I mean, you using you I do you yeah, doing live on laptop and you're using your phone to join the others. Wow, that's great. It is great for the no. Hit your own picture. Hey cuties. Hi Arch channel. Where you from? I see. Where you are you from? Looks like you are Filipino. Filipino si Lati. Filipino siya. Just charity. Filipino din si Lati.
They played Ryukyu in Taiwan. They beat Ryukyu by close to 20. I thought we did very well, although we didn't get the win in Taiwan. The key there was to play competitive and keep it close. Kasi bawian yun home and away.
I saw some of her videos on Tagalog. Okay. Who's Filipino? You are Filipino Latte.
That gives us also
Are you Filipino?
right in our turn this time we got 4 home games.
Or just learning Tagalog language? You, Mr. Latte Art, are you Filipino? Are you Filipino?
Dahil Geraldo Pagto.
Just started, yes. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Latte Art. My, ano, Philomen, Filipino, yes. Sorry, I meant his video. Sorry, Mr. Latte Art. Okay. Nice to meet you, Latte, Filipino. Where are you here in the Philippines? You're living in other country outside the Philippines. Thank you for joining here. Nice to meet you. I will subscribe later. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. He makes coffee latte like espresso. Yeah. Quezon City and my province is Pangasinan, Lingayen. Ah, that's great. Nice to meet you, Mr. Latte from Quezon City. Ah, ang province mo is Pangasinan, Lingayen. Where are you right now? Jackie, I'm a barista. Ah, that's great. Latte, Mr. Jackie, Hot Jackie, he's an American. The Hot Jackie 101. He's an American. That's why. Thank you for speaking English, sir. Thank you so much. Pangasinan, hello. I thought you were living abroad. Yes, I know. I see your channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, 15 people here. Thank you for the likes. Done subscribing. Thank you so much, guys, for support. Yes, we need to support each other, to grow. Thank you so much. You, how you, maybe I will subscribe you. I will join if you do live. If I have a my free time, but if not, I'm busy that time. I just subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you for eating people here now. Just try to drop a comment. Yes, need to drop the comment to notify if you to come back, to turn back, to sub back, to follow back. Host Bicolana, thanks. Always welcome. My cousin just he's Filipino. She's living in America and she's my cousin. Just tried it. My cousin is just so nice, beautiful. Like, thank you, Insan. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Dog people. Thank you for here. Oh my God. You're nice. Oh my God, the weather here is so beautiful. Perfect weather. Hope no typhoon. Hope the typhoon is change direction. I, and I pray. John dropping by Latin Art. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Just charity are you a nurse, then subscribe. Thank you for joining here. Guys, 10 people here now. 10.
can still go far. Give it a little more time to gel. Dahil ano naman, sabi ko nga, may kulang kayo sa practice na. Ilang games ko na naiwan. Oo. You think it's to go far from, we have to be better. You know, guys, as much as we played, we kept the game close. 6 points, 7 points with the striking distance. We have to be better.
Ay!
We didn't shoot the ball well. Like, we were at
Oh, nakalive ako.
12%, about 50% for that.
Nakalive ako.
But that's why you want the violence to
Na,
shoot
no.
the ball
Wait.
well.
Nakalive ako.
You know, we
Wait lang, ka-mute ko lang. They are both my cousin. Oh, I see. Yes, the horse is my cousin. Oh, I do dialysis to the patient that have a CKD. Have a kidney failure. See. Hello. Where are you just? What is that? US lady. Red alert. Emergency alert because asahan natin ang nag-alert because the typhoon where it should be is not on. We're in US, Illinois. My video, I mean, having an alert because the typhoon is coming. Oh, another typhoon again. Yes, I have. My phone is getting alert because of the typhoon. Be safe, Juana. Thank you. Lati. Ingat kayong lahat. Salamat. Salamat. There is no picture of you. Who? Picture of me? Before I can put another here. Have a green screen. But now why no green screen on my life? I don't understand. Johnny, behave Johnny. Screen is black. Huh? Screen is black now? Why? What happened? The screen is black. Latte also you look, cause looks like type on feeding lasagna. Just a minute cycle cause when it flies. Ah, okay. When it flies because I receive alert because of coming typhoon here. I hear you but can't see you. Ah, okay. We're having a no. We received the warning alert because of uh typhoon is coming. No, Johnny. Johnny, you're na ano, be nice here. Oh, I thought you were in Quezon City. Just started living now in Saudi. Okay. You working abroad? Miss Lati, you're working abroad. A lot of OFWs, they earn more money and then they do another extra income for the family. Yes, my place in the Philippines, Quezon City. Thank you for 1917. Thank you for the likes. Yes, my place in the Philippines, Quezon City. 30 million here now. Sinulay. Binawi yung likes na isa. Oh, I see. Hope your family is ready. You all guys needs to be ready for the time. Oh my God, my Gab is coming. Welcome back, Gab. Sino nagbayad sa tao? Pagkano? Ang million. Dali naman ang kuya mo. Nandiyan na nga, sipon. Gab is coming. Gabay ng tumbler mo. Ha? Ada. Di. Insulid mo dede? Ha, hindi di ko ada. Ko ada. Hindi. Salamat Kuya Gab. Kumpleto naman.
Muda na ang tumbler.
Pwede na.
Salamat.
May pangbawi.
Ang panahon.
Wala.
Deloy.
Oh, I see. I hope your family is ready. Well, guys needs to be ready for the typhoon. Gab is coming from Scout. Good. Gab is look like working abroad. He's coming home now. I need to check his something. Wow. Gab. Good job, Gab. Goodbye. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God.
you go there, you make towels that you get it at a good price, right? Normally, if we make this bed, you'll still get the enforcement. Most of the bedroom ones are done. So maybe also realizing that they'll ask you, we're adjusting Japan best Taiwan, right? And because they have no heat, so the waves get there,
Okay, guys, bad tour. Okay, it's gonna go and nice to meet you later. I will visit your channel sometimes. Thank you for joining here, Insan. Thank you so much. Bad. Thank you for all the people here. Pero ang bayad niya sa tricycle! Ay, silang! Ay!
Ay, na si Grace, Grace? So, I think like anything, as you mature every year, there will be discussions, there will be people trying to figure out how efficiently and still competitive, right? And then also our Korea and the other teams, I'm sure they'll make their own adjustments, right? But I think you welcome a thing like PSL because it kind of tells us where we are. We learn a lot. Right? We learn from our fellow countries and we learn from us.
Thank you for the 16 people. Take care always and have a great day. Thank you, Insan. Thank you, guys. Just charity. I will make you a coffee. I will make you a coffee with your name. Wow, really? Wow, can you do this to me? Okay, thank you, Mr. Larry. Just call me my name, Charity. Yes. Just Charity, see you around. God bless you. Keep safe always. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys. Noted Charity. Sana. Thank you. Thank you, guys. See you around. Gab, oh my God. Gab. Make no moderator Velocana. See you around. Thank you again. Thank you guys. Dami ko hugasan back to work. Bukas na kasi make me. Okay. Oh, wait.
Wish you all the best, not only in your game, and in the weather. I hope you all get home safely. Ingat kayo. And hope you win the game. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Nice talking to you guys. Salamat po. Mga kaibigan, ang next one na meron ako also sa
thank you. Don't ask how to be here for a long time, really. Yes. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Bicolana. Welcome.
It's not a small amount. Kaya kahit pa paano, alam mo dapat, ginagawa ng para ayos din ang kaya po,
Jackie, nice to meet you. See you around. Letty. Jackie is my boyfriend. My fiance. Letty. And Golden is the best friend here on YouTube. And Cha is my cousin. For what? For what? Yeah. Jackie is your what? My boyfriend. Husband, yes. My husband. My husband. Yes. I'm Tikan. I see. Hello, husband. Hello, husband Jackie. Husband L. Thank you for joining here, guys. Congratulations. Thank you, Golden. Oh my God. Where in Who's Golden? Golden is the best friend here on YouTube. He's American. He's also American. He's also an American. Team you the man. Yes. Team. Hello, best friend Golden. That's good friend here. Golden is a good friend here. I could cry right about now. Why? Why you cry? Why you cry, Golden? What happened to you? I'm so happy for you too. Why? You happy? You happy? Don't cry. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Very happy. Thank you, Golden. You're the best friend. Thank you. Thank you for supporting us. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Papa Pandesam. You're welcome. Thank you for 9 people here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. Yan na si Mama mo, Tiyang. Yang. Hi, si Mama mo, Carl. Carl, si Mama mo. Thank you so much. I'm happy. Douglas, hi my lovely. Cheryl, are you my love? Good morning. Greetings from Costa Rica. It's 7 p.m. here. It's almost time to go to sleep. Okay, sleep well. Sleep well, Douglas from Costa Rica. Thank you so much. I know that you want me. God, I wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to release. It's your misery, let's go from there. No, we like it, Santa. Na, na, na. Thank you for joining. Looks like the storm pass. Yeah, it looks like. Hope no storm will typhoon here. Hope the typhoon change direction. I'm hoping and I'm praying for that because for safety. Need to be careful here. Always happen here in the Philippines. It's hitting words, mind, and hitting words. What? What it means? Sorry, don't leave me. Okay, thank you for so much for joining my live. I need to end the live now. See you around. See you later. Thank you so much for joining. Hope see you next live. Ay, welcome. See you next time. See you next live. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, all right, guys. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, new friend here. What your name? What is name? Lati. Thank you so much. My son, my cousin, thank you. God bless us. Bye bye. So happy. Is that main? The main, yes. Main? The main and the Saya. My niece. Bye bye. Thank you, Golden. Bye, guys. Bye bye.